Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficial, who is Rahman and Rahim, who has given me a power of speaking. Honorable chief guests and respectable teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's me, Muhammad Rehan. Today I'm talking about something I believe has the power to transform our life changing. We all have habits, behaviors and thought patterns. But the good news is that we have the power to change ourselves. What will you do? I have one question. What will you do? Don't invest yourself in the wrong people. Because when you invest in the wrong people, they break you into pieces. They turn you apart in such a way that it takes years and years to get back together. 12 rules. I am talking about 12 rules of becoming the best version of yourself. There's only one you. I am talking about the core of you, who you are inside. Rule number 2, being fearless. Let your dream fly. Rule number 3 is you have never arrived enough to explore new opportunities. Rule number 4, be greedy. Be greedy for your ambitions, be hungry for it. Rule number 5, do not compromise, do not settle on your dream. Rule number 6, fail again and then rise like a phoenix. Rule number 7, be bold and take these risks. Rule number 7, surround yourself with the right people who do not stay with you in the back. Rule number 9, you can never please everyone all the time. You can never please everyone all the time. Rule number 10, don't take yourself too seriously. Don't take yourself too seriously. We are not making rockets. Come down, have fun. Rule number 11, give back. And finally, the most important one. Rule number 12, don't ever forget your roots and where you came from. My Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Kul amantum billahi summa istaqim. Finally, set clear goals. What do you want to achieve? Write down your goals and create a plan to achieve them. Take action. Don't wait for the next perfect moment. Don't wait for the perfect moment or I still feel ready. Take the first step and the next and the next and the next. Thank you very much for your attention. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين.